Yo, what's good, y'all? Your boy here. I need to finish doing Manju Tower so I can get some gems. Turn this shit down real quick. So I'm gonna see how long I can last in this dumb event in Azur lane. Yo, actually, I'm gonna just fucking just do this shit. It doesn't matter. To be honest, it doesn't matter. In game, then I should collect my gems, I think. Oh no, I don't. Okay. Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Draco Guy here, back at it again with another video. So today I am doing a retrofit video. So your boy gonna retrofit another German ship, okay? Leipzig, whatever the fuck her name is. I was using her to grind room, but you know she wasn't strong enough, so I was like, yeah, I'm just level her up. I was gonna level her up and retrofit her, and I'm about to retrofit her right now. Hopefully ain't no fucking notification pop up on my phone. Alright, y'all ready for this retrofit? I don't know what it looks like, so gonna be my first time reaction. Alright. Man, she need a bigger skirt. That's the only thing I'm gonna say. I mean, she's kind of hot. Not gonna lie, she look like a fucking vampire. Alright, y'all. I hope y'all like this quick video. Wait, what was I about to do? The event, this gonna be uploaded like on Sunday. I'm just saying that now. Like, I already got the video edited and all that shit. So, yeah.